Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can make slime. So I'm just going to take 2 bottles of glue. Where's glue? Because that works the best. I'm just going to take 2 bottles today. Because I have 3 bottles left over. And then you just pour it out into your bowl. So you get all that out. Get that out. Okay, then that's good. And I'm going to take the other bottle. I'm just going to put that in there as well. It makes kind of a gross noise, but. Just get all of it out. And then what you can do is you can take one of your bottles and fill it with water. Just fill it up halfway and then just pour that in there and just take your spoon and mix the glue up with the water. Just mix it up like that. Mix. I just have to add the rest of the glue up in there. And then what you can do is just add your shaving cream in there. Just gonna take the top off. Top leg off. And I just bought this, see it's new. Looks like an angle. You need a side angle. Okay, I'll just use that for starters a little bit. Just mix that up. Yep, mixing that. Make sure I have barely any chunks left in there. Now I'm gonna make this slime super fluffy. Fluffy slime a lot and jiggly slime, but I'm not making jiggly slime. See it? So yeah, mixing all that up together, like mixing up crazy. It should look something like this. And what you need to do is take some baking soda. Just need to open this up. Need to open this up real quick. So, yeah. I'm gonna get some scissors as well. Okay, now that I got this opened up, I'm gonna get a spoon. And put 2 spoonfuls of it. One, 2. If you need more, you can add more, but I guess add that in there. And if you're making a big slime, you know that. So I'm just gonna add a few more. 2 more. I think that'll be good. Just mix that up together really good. And then you'll need contact solution. Open this up. Okay, here is the contact solution. It's new, I can tell it's new. Make scissors. Open that up. Okay, I'll just pull that off a little bit. Oh, okay. Okay, now I got that. Just going to pull this off. This is not coming off. Wait one second. Okay, now let's open it and add a little bit drops. Add drops at a time and just mix that. You'll start to like get hard. I mean, jump, like get together and stuff. Just keep mixing that up. And if it's not really fluffy, you can just add a little bit more shaving cream. And then what I'm doing right now. Just gonna mix that up with the contact solution too. Okay, let's mix up. Just add a little bit more contact solution. And it should start like cleaning up the bowl a little bit. Like it is right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. And you just keep adding until it is the consistency that you want it to be, and that is not sticky. I just got it on. Just like little by little. I think I mix it all up together. This might take a while. So you can just like put a little lots. Keep mixing that up together. It is turning. It's getting slimy now. It's all fluffy. Just mixing that up now. Starting to clean the bowl a little bit. See what, guys? Just gonna add like a lot in. And then it will like actually start to. So yeah. Okay, it is working. very fluffy. Perfect. I love fluffy slime. I'm just gonna keep mixing that. You can like touch it.